Hi, Elaine with WTI. Girls just want to have fun, right? And they want to dress up and look sassy sometimes. Well, this leopard print watch band will do just that. It's lightweight but full of color and style and looks magnificent paired with the rose gold stainless steel. The connectors slide easily into the Apple Watch slots, and you'll feel confident that your watch band will not fall off with its secure one-touch clasp that clicks securely into place. I love that this leopard print watch band flows with my style. Seriously, doesn't everyone want to dress up and look pretty and sassy sometimes? So don't hold back. Get your sassy resin watch band with leopard print. You will love it. I highly recommend it, and that's just my point of view.